Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time, enjoy this quick short update. We're doing custom trailer build and we're working on the wiring phase today. Got the MC tuning distribution. This has got an O-ring seal in the cap. I added this LED light so that when you plug it into the truck and it's got power, it lets you know that you've got power going to it. And that also helps when this is charging or not charging. Sometimes these batteries have a bad connection. This will let you know you got power here. And then if this doesn't work and show that it's charging, then it gives you a really quick indicator that something might not be connected or you might have a blown fuse in the truck. Hydrastar electric over hydraulic actuator, best in the market. Got everything tied down. Got these mounting points riveted. Got this cable riveted. Nothing's gonna move, no vibration. Added some grip tape right here because you always step right there getting in the back of the truck. Y'all have a blessed day. Stay tuned.